How are you? Now we are going to learn how can we pronounce the sounds of consonant letters, okay? As I told you before that we have 21 letters, consonant letters. ازاي ممكن ننطق أصوات الحروف الساكنة باللغة الإنجليزية. Okay? Let's begin. Ba, ba, ba. There's a weak air go outside from your mouth when you pronounce ba sound. Ba, ba. As in ball. Ba, ball. Ka, ka, ka. We have hard C and soft C. Hard C, ka. Hard ka, as in cat. And soft C as in steady. Ka, cat. C, steady. Da, 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 as in dog. Dog. Da, dog. As in fog. Fog. Ga, ga. The G sound has two sounds, as in hard ga, girl, girl, ga, girl, and ja, giraffe, soft ja, giraffe. Ha, 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 as in hat. Ha, hat. J, j, jacket. J, as in jacket. J, as in jacket. Ka, 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 as in kite. Ka, kite. L, 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 as a lion. Lion. L, lion. Mm, mm, as in moon. Mm, moon. Mm, 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 as in net. Net. Mm, net. P, p, p. There is a strong air go outside from your mouth when you pronounce the sound p, 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 as in pen. P, pen. Kwa, 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 as in quilt. Kwa, quilt. R, 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 as in rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. S, s, s. And the sound S here, s and z. S has two sounds. S as in swan and z as in his. S, swan, z, his. Ch, 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 ch sound as in toy. Ch, toy, toy. V, 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 as in violin. Violin, violin. Wa, wa, wa. Wa sound as in water. Wa, water. Wa, water. X, x. And the X letter has two sounds as in x, and Z, as in X-ray, X-ray, and Z, Xerox, Xerox, Z, Xerox, Xerox. Ya, ya, ya sound. Y letter has many sounds, as in ya, I, and E. And maybe we can treat them and put them with the vowel letters because it has many sounds in long and short vowels. Okay, ممكن نضمه لبعض الحروف المتحركة الفاولز علشان هو في بعض النطق بتاعه أصوات الفاولز المتحركة. يا as in yolk, yolk, and I, long I, as in sky, sky. And we have here long E and short I, as in gypsy, gypsy, gypsy. The last sound is Z, 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 as in zebra, zebra, Z, Z, as in zebra, zebra. Okay, thank you, and wait for me for next time with the vowel letters and short letters and long vowels, God willing. Okay, goodbye.